Oh wow, it's taping. Bye, are you taping? I did not start it. 6:10. Okay, then I'm going to read. Just read. Okay. 42 USC Section 1983 Civil Rights Complaint for Violation of Constitutional Rights. This civil action arises under 42 USC Section 1983 Civil Rights. In connection with this 1983 complaint, it is asserted that numerous constitutional rights of a plaintiff were infringed upon, notably the fundamental right to a fair trial, due to the alleged malicious intent and actions of the mentioned law enforcement entities. All these actions and violations were done to secure the plaintiff's conviction. 1983 of the U.S. Code provides individuals with the means to seek legal remedies when their constitutional rights are violated by government officials or entities. This law enables citizens to bring lawsuits against those acting under the color of law who violate their rights under the U.S. Constitution. These violations, which deprive citizens of their rights, privileges, and immunities, are caused by a judicial system of law officials who are not acting in their capacity, but who are acting in disregard and contempt for the welfare and well-being of the same citizens our public servants have sworn to serve and protect. The crimes of law enforcement, as listed in this civil complaint, are not brought forth with malicious or frivolous intent. These crimes and misconducts listed herein are profoundly serious and cause multiple infringements on citizens' constitutional rights. As a result, the plaintiff's life, livelihood, and relationships have been severely affected. Request for a fair trial. The plaintiff implores the Circuit Court to uphold her Sixth Amendment right to a fair trial. The plaintiff, who has been impoverished by the actions of law enforcement, finds herself standing alone against the formidable resources of the law and its officials' unwavering allegiance to those acting under its color, thereby opposing the plaintiff who now seeks redress. The plaintiff earnestly requests the court's serious consideration of her case. I beseech the Honorable Presiding Judge to attentively review this civil complaint in its entirety, along with the evidence the plaintiff will present to the court. Under the Arkansas Federal Law of Civil Procedure, Rule 2.3a, a judge must fulfill the responsibilities of the judicial office, including administrative duties, impartially and without bias. Rule 2.61, the right to be heard constitutes a fundamental aspect of a just and equitable system of justice. Substantive rights of litigants can only be safeguarded through the procedures that uphold the right to be heard. All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws.